Okay, so this is that zucchini squash. I thought it was all done. The leaves had started dying, and I saw something on Epic Gardening with Kevin that said to stake your zucchini. Well, it was already at like 5 months in, and it had gotten long, and I didn't think it would do any good, but I did. I came out here and did it, and now I have new zucchini babies. Okay, I got it all cleaned up. Well, almost all cleaned up. Okay, all cleaned up. New zucchini growing, and we have officially had zucchini on this one plant all summer long, and I've had enough to share with others. Thanks, Kevin. That was a good suggestion. I'll stake it earlier next time.